Alright, so here is the best way on how you can get more money in My Perfect Hotel. So, the best way on how you can get more money is just simply by investing and doing it more. So, what you can do is just simply get these customers first of all. So, that's our first, and second, and then third. So, we got third customer, and we almost got like 64 like cash, and you can just simply clean your room and do everything by yourself like instantly, just like that. And you have to reinvest the money as well. So you need toilet papers for the washrooms, because you will also earn money if you use washrooms as well. So just get the toilet papers like that, and just simply give out the toilet papers. And here, as you can see, here's the extra cash that you're getting, and it's almost like 10% of it. And your room will be also getting cleaned by itself because you purchased the cleaner, and now you can just do more like that. And here, as you saw, I quickly went from nothing to a lot, and now I'm just gonna upgrade the room to level 2, and here we go. Now you can just simply press on get and it will give you more money. But if you don't like the grinding way, you can obviously buy more money by just purchasing through your real money, and you can just get however much you'd like to have. And the cash offer goes up to like 5.6k if you buy the diamonds. And yeah, this is the ways on how you can get more money in My Perfect Hotel. So I'll see you soon.